When you see 2 to the power of 5, what does that mean? How many times? 5 times. 2 times 2, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 32. If you see 3 to the power of 4, that means what? 3 times 3 times 3, how many times? 4 times. That's 81. If I see 4 to the power of 4, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, 256. So these are called exponents. So 2 to the 5th does not mean 2 times 5, which is 10. It's not. 3 to the 4th is not 3 times 4, which is 12. It's 81. 4 to the 4 is not 16. It's 256. Why are we looking at that? Because you're going to encounter some problems that has more than one operation in them. And you have to know which operation you're going to do first. And that's where we go with something called order of operations. When you have a chain of them, which one do you do first? And as I said earlier a couple of times, we have a saying, it's called PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So which one do we do first? P. What's the P stands for? That's the first one we do. That's step 1. That's parentheses. The second one, what do we do? E for what? Exponents. Step 3. Well, it says MD. Multiplication or division. But which one do you do first? Try again. Try again. I heard multiplication, I go try again. I heard division, I said try again. It does matter. Left to right, correct. Which one showed up first? You go left to right. And the last one, which is the fourth one, that's AS, which means what? Addition or subtractions. And that's also left to right. So you do parentheses first, exponents second, multiplication or divisions left to right, addition or subtractions left to right. That's the sequence of operations. That looks a mess there. Parentheses first, can you read that? Exponents, multiplication and division left to right, addition, subtractions left to right. So let's take a few examples and follow that. So I'm going to write PEMDAS on top of the page as a reminder to know which one is first. And I'm going to number them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the sequence of order. You do this one first, second, third, and fourth. So if I have 18 minus 7 times 2, do I have parentheses here? No. Okay, step 2, do we have exponents? No. Step 3, do we have multiplication or division? Yes. So I got to do this one first. What is 7 times 2? 14. Any more multiplications or divisions? No. We go to step 4. Do we have addition or subtractions? Subtractions, we do 18 minus 4, which is 4. Let's try that. Do we have parentheses? No. Exponents? No. Multiplication or division? Yes. I got to do the multiplication first. I got to do these guys, left to right. I see this one first. What's 2 times 8? There's the plus sign. What's 4 times 3? What's 16 plus 12? 28. Let's make them a little bit bigger. 3 plus 2 times parentheses 8 plus 3. Do we have any parentheses? 8 plus 3. I got to do that first. What's 8 plus 3? 11. I'm going to copy the rest of the problem. I find that that's easier for me. Do I have any exponents? No. Any multiplications or divisions? Yes. What's 2 times 11? 22 plus the 3. Now, there's no more multiplication or division. What do we have here? 25. Couple more examples, then we're done. Four plus 1 in parentheses squared times 6 minus the 4. Again, PEMDAS. Do what's inside the parentheses first. 4 plus 1. This will be 5 squared times the 6 minus the 4. Do we have any exponents? What's 5 squared? 25 times 6 minus 4. Do we have any multiplications or divisions? 25 times 6. 150 take away 4. 146. Now notice here we have square bracket and parentheses. The square bracket, nothing more than another set of parentheses. We just make them square so you get to see this one closes this one. This one closes. I could have made them all parentheses. But this is easier on the eye. This one goes with this one goes with that. When you have two sets of these, or three sets, sometimes you have three, you always want to work from the inside out. So work from the inside out. Do what's inside the little one here. When you're inside that, you still want to follow the rule of operations. So you have 10 minus 3 squared. Which operation are you going to do first? So the 3 squared is first. 10 minus, what is 3 squared? 9. Notice I copy the problem. Got a lot of paper. I'm still not done with the inner set of parentheses. What's 10 minus 9? 1. So this becomes 5 times 4 times 1. That means if there's no operations, multiplication. 4 times 1. Now the inner parentheses are gone. We start dealing with this. Order of operations again. Multiplication before addition, subtractions. What's 4 times 1? That's 4. And what's 4 minus 2? So it's 5 times 2, and the answer is 10. So if you do this problem right, the answer should be 10. Again, when you have set of parentheses, groups there, work from the inside out.